Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and Apple has released iOS 17.1 Beta 2 to developers, and we're going to check out, take a look here at what's new. So there are a couple of changes here. We did lose the new ringtones in Beta 1, so those are now back in Beta 2. So ringtones are now back, as well as your text tones and all that kind of stuff, and the ability to use custom ringtones if you had any, or third-party ringtones. If we scroll down here to StandBy, we do have new display options for StandBy as well. We now have the ability to turn off the display automatically after 20 seconds or never. Selecting never does require the use of night mode, so you can't turn that off. But 20 seconds and automatically you can, and with automatically you also have the option to use motion to wake. So that is something new here in 17.1 Beta 2. As well as the fact that the battery percentage limitation and health is still limited to the iPhone 15. That has not changed. There is still no new journal app just quite yet. watchOS 10.1 Beta 2 does enable the use of double tap on the Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2. So that feature is now enabled if you are running the beta on either one of those Apple Watches. But everything else here is pretty much the same. We're going to have to take a look at this and keep an eye on it and see how the temperature is doing to see if we are still having overheating issues or if that is something that is fixed in 17.1 Beta 2. I think some of that's going to also depend on app updates, because a lot of that was dependent on apps using too many resources in the background for whatever reason and causing the phones to get hot. Now, I will point out that I did have my screen dim after the update installed for a short period of time, and then it came back. So not too sure if that was just because of the install or what, but I don't usually have that happen when I'm installing an update. So I'll keep a close eye on that, and I will let you guys know in my follow-up, as well as with the battery life, and see how that does with some of those fixes implemented, if they have been yet. So that is iOS 17.1 Beta 2. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.